Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sort your notifications by time. Now, once you swipe from top downwards, guys, you will normally find your notifications showing here, right? So this is where your notifications will generally show up. But if you don't know, your notifications are normally showing either by time or by priority. But you need to check this to see what it's sorted by. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort it by time. So once you swipe from top down, then the latest one will show at the top and the oldest ones will be at the bottom, right? So go ahead and swipe up and open up settings on your phone, guys. And once you're inside settings, you want to scroll down to notifications. From here, you will find sort notifications. Now, it might be shown by priority, but to switch this to time, just tap on it and just click by time. And this will sort your notifications by time, showing the latest ones at the top. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.